BEAU Belga said he will keep on taking good shots despite his offensive struggle in rain or shine's loss to Ginebra on Sunday in Game 1 of their PBA Commissioners' Cup semi-final playoff. Belga hit just 2 of his 11 shots from the field in the 100-89 loss to Ginebra. His teammates didn't do much better as the Elastopainters, in total, threw 102 shots, but made only 37. 2 of 11, said Akin, alumni coach Caloy. If it's free, I'm not going to hesitate to take it. He knows me for 7 or 8 years now. Call me magkakasama. Kapag libre, pakialamero ako. Kung alam ko na tira ko, ititira ko. Even though the game ended with rain or shine getting more points off turnovers, 1917, and Ginebra only having a 1-point advantage on fast break points, Belga said the Gin Kings still outworked the Elastopainters on offense. Young Ginebra outworked us especially in transition offense, laro not alam naman yung transition pero kami yung tinakbutan. It's a series. It's an adjustment for everyone. We go back to practice tomorrow, get a rest, watch video, kung may mga dapat gawin, kung may dapat I adjust at gawin ang tama, bounce back lang. Wala naman ibang magagawa. Pag linyabag naman sarili naman, lalo kaming mahihirapan. Bawi lang, said Belga. For Belga though, his off night will not stop him from taking shots as he only needs adjustments in order to get on his offensive groove for the series. Young 2 of 11 is on Olang, wala sa Kenyan. Kalangan ko lang bumawi. I need to be more aware kung ano ang advantage ko against Ginebra. It's an adjustment for me. It's an adjustment for us. We have to move on, said Belga.